Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and iOS. This avoids incompatibilities. Once done, connect the iPad using an Apple USB camera adapter or a direct USB-C cable, depending on model. Make sure the X32 is powered. Next, open the X32 app. You need the app to talk to the console. If prompted, trust the device on the iPad and accept any USB permissions. Once the app recognizes a connection, you'll see channel meters. That confirms the physical link is live. Now configure the network and routing so audio and control data flow correctly. On the X32, choose DHCP for automatic addressing or assign a static IP in the same subnet as the iPad. Make sure net masks match. Then open the app and pick the mixer from the network/remote list or select direct USB for a cable connection. If you plan to send MIDI or OSC, enable those services on the console and map control layouts. This ensures faders and mutes respond properly. Finish by verifying control and audio. Move faders, toggle mutes, and send audio to a bus or headphone output to confirm signal. If you don't hear audio, make sure the X32 is receiving sufficient USB power and that the adapter supports data, not just charging. Some adapters only charge. Also check the app's audio routing. If issues continue, reboot the X32 and the iPad, try a different cable or adapter, and reassign a static IP to remove DHCP conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.